Hello and welcome to SEOhowto.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create an XML sitemap for your WordPress blog. And the reason why you want an XML sitemap is because the sitemap gives search engines information about your website in order for them to index it. So when the crawlers come into your website, they can see your XML file and go to one file to index all your pages and see what you want listed. You can also, in an XML file, tell those search engines what pages you do not want to have indexed. So it's a really great feature to have. First thing you want to do is go to your WordPress. You're going to want to log in. And once you log in, you're going to get to your dashboard. And go into the left-hand side, you'll see a tab that says Plugins. And once you're in here, you can add a new plugin. And what you're going to type in is Sitemap XML. And the very first one should be the Google XML Sitemaps. If it's not, then look for this right here. That's the one you want to install. And just click the install tab and then say OK, and it should install it for you. And once that's installed, you'll get a tab on the left hand side called XML Sitemap. So what you're going to want to do is click on this. Now the first time you go ahead and create an XML sitemap, there's going to be a click here for the first time button at the top. Unfortunately, I already did this, so you won't be able to see it. But you go ahead and click that. Now what you can do is once you have this installed is you can go through all these different options and change a few things so that you can have certain pages indexed and certain pages not indexed. Usually I keep it pretty much default settings. The only thing I do change is instead of it being comment count, I switch it so it says do not use automatic priority calculations. So pretty much what this does is it sets the priority of your post based on your comments, and I just keep it so they're all the same priority regardless of how many comments there are or not. Right here is where you would want to exclude any categories. So right now, of course, I don't want to exclude any. And then if you have any posts that you do not want Google, Yahoo, any of the other search engines to index, you put that in right here and it'll automatically update the file for you. Once you change those settings, all you have to do is say update options. And once you do that, it'll create this XML sitemap into your server without you having to do anything. So it automatically does it for you. And what it also does is it will notify the search engines that you now have an XML sitemap. So pretty easy, pretty basic, and that's all there is to it. Like always, if you have any other questions or comments regarding this, you can put it right on the blog, or you can go to Get Connected, and there's an SEO how-to forum that is free. You can sign up for it and post your questions there, and me and other members will go ahead and answer it. Thank you for checking out SEOhowto.com, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.